Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by duplicating the background and creating a new layer. This keeps the original safe. Once done, switch the new layer to overlay or soft light so highlights blend naturally. Use the rectangular marquee to block out the window area. Fill with 50% gray or white at roughly 30% opacity to judge placement. Make sure to name the layer Window Light for clarity. You're now set to sculpt the beam. Avoid fiddling with global exposure yet. Next, refine the beam by converting your filled selection to a layer mask and painting with black to trim edges or white to bring them back. Then apply Gaussian blur between 20 and 60 pixels. Match the blur to your image resolution so the beam looks soft yet defined. To sell the effect, push color with color balance or hue/saturation. Warm the highlights slightly. Once done, use a thin linear gradient within the mask for falloff. This mimics natural light diminishing. Finish by dialing the layer opacity down between 10 and 60% until the light reads believable in context. Switch blend modes to screen for brighter looks. If you want cinematic rays, add a motion blur or a low 1-3% noise to break perfect smoothness and clip it to the light layer. If the effect looks flat, check the mask feather and the layer stacking order. Make sure the light layer sits above subjects it should hit. You'll adjust until it feels integrated.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.